Hello and welcome to the lecture series on engineering mathematics. Myself, Dr. G.K. Prajapati, currently working as an assistant professor at LNJPIT Chhapra. In previous lectures, we have studied about some matrices and their properties. In this lecture, we will learn about some special matrices such as symmetric matrices, skew symmetric matrices, Hermitian matrices, skew Hermitian matrices, orthogonal matrices, and unitary matrices. Also, we have solved some examples which is asked in previous GATE questions papers. So let's start the lectures. So here first special matrix is symmetric matrix. A matrix A is said to be symmetric if its transpose is equal to itself matrix, that is A transpose equal to A. For example, we can take identity matrix 1 0 0 1. This is a symmetric matrix. We can take all the elements same. This is also a symmetric matrix. Also we can take a matrices like this A, B, C, D, E, F, and symmetric means just एक mirror image. There should be a mirror image. यहाँ पे आपका एक mirror image होना चाहिए. तो ये आपका D हो जाएगा. And this will be E, mirror image of E, and this is image of F. So this is also a symmetric matrices. Next special matrix is skew symmetric matrices. A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if its transpose is equal to the same matrices with negative signs. That is A transpose equal to minus A. For example, we can take a matrix like 0 0 A, B, 0 0 C with negative signs. The image should be in mirror image should be there with negative signs. Means mirror image of A minus A, mirror image of B minus B, and mirror image of C minus C. This is an example of skew symmetric matrices. Here is some property of skew symmetric matrices. The first property is the diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrices will be 0. This is very important property of skew symmetric matrices. And the second property is any square matrix can be uniquely expressed as a symmetric matrices and skew symmetric matrices. This part is symmetric matrix and this part is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Based on this property, a question is asked in mechanical GATE question 2020. The question says a matrix P is decomposed into a symmetric matrix S and a skew symmetric part V. Means a matrix P can be written as sum of a symmetric matrix S and a symmetric matrix V. It is given that if S equal to this matrix, means this is a symmetric matrix, and V is skew symmetric matrix, then what will be matrix P? So by the above property, we know that any square matrix A can be written as sum of skew symmetric matrices, which is given by A transpose plus half part of skew symmetric matrices A minus A transpose. This part is symmetric part and this part is skew symmetric part. So both part is given by P, given by S and V. Here in our questions, symmetric part is given by S and skew symmetric part is given by V. So the matrix P can be found by simply adding S and V. So here our matrix S is given by, so the matrix S is given by -4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 7 by 2, 2, 7 by 2, 2, and the matrix V is given by 0, -2, 3, 2, 0, 7 by 2, -3, -7 by 2, and 0. By adding these two matrices, we will get the required answer. So by adding we get -4 plus 0, -4, 4 and -2, 2, 2 and 3, 5, 4 and 2, 6, 3 and 0, 3, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, this becomes 7, 2 minus 3, -1, 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2, 0, and 2 plus 0, 2. So our answer is A. First option is true. Now another special matrix is Hermitian matrix. A matrix A is said to be Hermitian matrix if its conjugate transpose equal to the matrix itself, that is A conjugate transpose equal to A. Example, we can take a matrix whose diagonal entries must be real, like ABC, and other entries may be complex or real. Suppose this entry is x plus iy, and the u plus iv, and another s plus it. Then we take its mirror image about the diagonal elements diagonal line ABC, then this image will be X conjugate image लेना है आपको IY U प्लस IV का जो conjugate image आएगा यहाँ पे U माइनस IV आ जाएगा, और S प्लस IT का जो image आएगा, the image of S plus IT will be S minus IT. This is an example of Hermitian matrix. Remember that its diagonal entries must be real numbers. So it is first property of the Hermitian matrix that diagonal elements of Hermitian matrix will be real. Next, special matrix is skew Hermitian matrix. A matrix A is said to be skew Hermitian matrix if its transpose conjugate matrix will be equal to itself with negative signs. That is, conjugate transpose of a matrix A equal to minus A. We can take the example like this. In skew Hermitian matrix, the diagonal elements must be either zero or purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means only imaginary part should be there. 2i, I minus 4i like this are zero. स्क्यू हर्मिशियन मैट्रिक्स में आपको जो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स होने चाहिए वो या तो जीरो होना चाहिए या तो प्योरली इमेजिनरी होनी चाहिए. तो हम एक स्क्यू हर्मिशियन मैट्रिक्स बना सकते हैं जैसे 2i 0 माइनस आई. अब आपको एक मिरर इमेज चाहिए, यहाँ पे कोई भी एलिमेंट ले सकते हैं आप. सपोज अपने ले लिया, सपोज वी टेक x प्लस आई वाई, हियर u माइनस आई भी, एंड हियर वी टेक जस्ट it minus it. Then its mirror image along the diagonal with negative sign. The mirror image x plus iy के क्या होगा conjugate के साथ, तो minus x plus iy conjugate sign के साथ. And the mirror image of u minus iv with negative sign, u minus iv with conjugate. Mirror image of minus it minus with negative sign minus it with conjugate. So this is an example of skew Hermitian matrix. इस तरीके से आप skew Hermitian matrix के एग्जाम्पल भी बना सकते हैं. And one of the most important property of the skew Hermitian matrix is that the diagonal elements of skew Hermitian matrix is either 0 or purely imaginary. ये प्रूफ हमारे नोट्स में आपको मिल जाएंगे, नोट्स आप लोगों को प्रोवाइड करा दिया जाएगा. Next, one more special matrix is that orthogonal matrix. A matrix A is said to be orthogonal if it satisfies this equation. Means A transpose equal to A transpose A equal to identity. Or in this is another definition, A ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ए इनवर्स. इसी जो पहला डिफिनेशन है इसमें आप लेफ्ट साइड से ए इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो आपको ये मिल जाएगा, या राइट साइड से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इसमें तो भी आपको ये मिल जाएगा, ए ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू ए इनवर्स. तो यदि कोई मैट्रिक्स इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करता है तो वह आपका ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स कहलाएगा. ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स लाइक cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta and cos theta. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Also we can take a 3 cross 3 orthogonal matrix whose elements are cos theta, sin theta, 0, minus sin theta, cos theta, 0, 0, 0 and 1. This is also an orthogonal matrix of 3 cross 3 order. Here is some properties of orthogonal matrix. First is transpose of orthogonal matrix is same. Means transpose of orthogonal matrix is again a orthogonal matrix, and second one is inverse of orthogonal matrix is same. These two properties are very important. Based on the definition of orthogonal matrix, there is a question which is asked in GATE 2021 in civil branch. The question says that if A is a square matrix, then orthogonality property mandates. By definition of orthogonal matrix, the first answer is true. Another question is asked in GATE 2018 in civil branch. It is also based on the definition of orthogonal matrix, which says that for given orthogonal matrix Q, it is given that the matrix is orthogonal matrix. Then इनवर्स इज, आपको इसका इनवर्स फाइंड करना है और दिया गया है कि ये मैट्रिक्स ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स है. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या होगा? आपको ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स की डिफिनेशन दी गई थी. बाय द डिफिनेशन ऑफ ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स वी नो दैट by definition of orthogonal matrix, A transpose equal to A inverse. In our case, Q transpose will be Q inverse. And what will be Q inverse? It is asked. So we have to only find Q transpose. यहां पे हम केवल ऑर्थोगोनल का डिफिनेशन का यूज करेंगे, Q ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू Q इनवर्स, आपसे क्यू इनवर्स पूछा जा रहा है तो जस्ट क्यू ट्रांसपोज निकाल जाए, आपको इनवर्स पता हो जाएगा। देखिए कितना बहुत सिंपल सा प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करके हम लोग आंसर निकाल सकते हैं। तो क्यू ट्रांसपोज कैसे निकलेगा, जस्ट आपको जो रोज है उसको कॉलम में लिख दीजिए। तो रोज आपके क्या है, 3/7, 2/7, 6/7, ये आपके क्यू के रोज थे, उसको कॉलम में लिख दिया गया। एंड सेकेंड रोज कैन बी रिटेन एज -6/7, 3/7, 6/7, sorry 3/7, 2/7, and third rows can be written as 2/7, 6/7, -3/7. So which one is true? I think option 3 is true. तो आप देख सकते हैं केवल प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करके कितनी कम समय में आप लोगों ने इसका इनवर्स निकाल लिया। अदरवाइज जो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड है इनवर्स निकालने का वो बहुत बड़ा जाएगा। तो हम लोग ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स का यहाँ पे केवल डिफिनीशन यूज किए हैं और कुछ सेकंड में उसका आंसर फाइंड कर लिए हैं। नेक्स्ट one more special matrix is unitary matrix. A matrix A is said to be unitary if it satisfies these conditions. Means A transpose conjugate equal to A transpose of A transpose conjugate of A into A equal to identity, or transpose conjugate of A equal to A inverse. हम इसमें पहले वाले में लेफ्ट से इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये मिल जाएगा, और सेकंड में राइट इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तब पर भी ये हमको मिल जाएगा। तो ये सेकंड डिफिनेशन जस्ट इसी से आया है। इसके जो एग्जांपल्स हैं आप ले सकते हैं यूनिटरी मैट्रिक्स के, I 0 0 I ये है, या आप ऐसे भी ले सकते हैं e टू द पावर I थीटा 0 0 e टू द पावर I अल्फा। ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं यूनिटरी मैट्रिक्स के। प्रॉपर्टीज यूनिटरी मैट्रिक्स में यह है कि सेम जो ऑर्थोगोनल मैट्रिक्स की प्रॉपर्टीज है जैसे कि ट्रांसपोज और इनवर्स, यहां भी आपका सेम रहेगा। द इनवर्स ऑफ यूनिटरी मैट्रिक्स will be again unitary, and second transpose of unitary matrix will be again यूनिटरी। ये भी इसकी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज हैं। इसके अलावा एक्सेप्ट दिस प्रॉपर्टीज देयर आर a lot of properties based on determinants, eigenvalues, eigenvectors of these special matrices, which can be discussed in upcoming lectures. In next lectures, we will study about the determinant of the matrices.